y'all. So it is, what today is? Saturday. It's Saturday. Y'all, so it's shot o'clock. All right.
We started. No.
Period.
Love and happiness and financial stability, everybody. Yeah.
Hey y'all, so it's hot for real, y'all. So we on the way to the beach, y'all. Today is Saturday, July 8th. Shenanigans have started. What? The shenanigans have started. Yes, y'all, we took some shots. I think I recorded one for y'all. Y'all just let me know. But we finna go to the beach for a little while because we got a dinner reservation at 7, y'all. It's 2:19. So we're not gonna be at the beach that long. But we finna just get drunk out there. This really a pregame for dinner because dinner finna be lit as fuck. Yo, thank y'all for watching me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, we at the beach. At the beach? Y'all, so we got some Charlies. I'm so drunk. And Ashanti, the birthday girl, nominates challenges everybody to take a shot right now. So they better take a shot. You finna have to do what?
On the submarine.
Not find the submarine. I nominated them to take a shot 8 minutes ago.
We all gotta take one.
Fuck. I'm embarrassed.
I ain't worried about no fucking, The sexing on the plate, ain't that much to you. My love don't need that much to you. Mark my words, I'm a ball without you. I came home last night to a menage. Got my dick sucking, I was thinking about you.
Listen to what I'm saying. I got a thing for you, baby, you know.
Yeah. Hey.
Y'all, we wet as hell. I know, I'm trying to. Y'all, we so wet. Oh my gosh. But yeah, we drunk. We finna go shower and get ready for our next event. So I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get to where I'm going because it's raining and I don't really want to.
Don't piss me off, girl.
Y'all, I thought I was recording this whole time. Y'all, we wet as fuck. Oh my god. Y'all, we wet as fuck. But okay, anyway, I'm finna drop my friend off home so everybody can, you know, go get dressed and stuff and like take a shower and stuff. But y'all, we drunk, we wet, and my birthday is in 2 more days. How you feel? How you living? But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get home, so I can when I get to where I'm going, so I can get dressed and stuff, and you know, just do what I do. So all right, y'all. I thought I was recording the whole time. I'm so motherfucking mad, but. Okay, we bought. Okay, y'all. So we kind of like in like rush mode, but you see the makeup. But yeah, y'all. So basically we getting dressed. So when I finish getting dressed, should be about like 20 minutes. I'm gonna pick the camera back up, but I just had to show y'all that we made it home. We got in the shower. We getting dressed. Yeah, it's like 7:30 right now. So yeah. We're on crunch time. Okay, y'all, so I'm hurrying up. Just bronze my face a little bit and maybe some more blush. But we're gonna just bronze my face
Oh, y'all, why we already do it? Like I said, because that was rude. Anyways, let's do this first. So we finna, ooh, not today. Not on my birthday. And then when we do that, we're gonna take the bronze brush again. I'm gonna go. Y'all, I don't feel like I'm hurrying up. So hurry up. Ain't nobody seeing this part, but it matters too. Alright, y'all, so I'm done. We're just gonna do the straighten of it. Yeah.
Y'all, what's up? So, ski. Alright, y'all, so Big Don in this bitch, but wrong them hoes. No, we coming light. Yeah, I'm finna take my shot. Pray for me. Thank you. Good job in that too. Alright. I'm gonna take another one. Wait.
Look cute for my boomerang, bitch.
Alright, you want me to take a shot? Mm-hmm. Alright, 3, 2. Alright. One more, y'all.
Yes.
Heavenly Father.
Bitch, my cousin got to take her pictures. You already been drinking.
Girl, we've been drinking all motherfucking
She
day.
take 2 more shots, she don't feel sexy.
Sexy, bitch, I'm so drunk. Oh, we drunk this. We had a whole bottle of that. That's bygone.
Oh yeah, that's right. Y'all was at the beach. Y'all drinking in the heat too. Y'all different. Ooh, girl. But it felt good. Like it started raining.
For the birthday bitch. I'm gonna do the birthday bitch. What you doing? Come on! Girls can't take no. hands up, keep them up. Keep them hands up, keep them up. Who the fuck is you?
This bitch. I got her purse and stuff. No, we're not going home. We're going to the tent. Right. Ski! Ski! Come on, Luke. 21! Let me show them this shit. You know they like this for y'all birthday.
What's up, YouTube, y'all? So today is Sunday, July 9th. Happy birthday to my granddad. Y'all, he passed away, but today's his birthday, so happy birthday to him. But y'all, I'm so drunk still, like, y'all, I'm so drunk. But I'm taking my car to get fixed. Then we're going to lunch. I had so much fun. Like, it was crazy. Like, I had so much fun. I don't remember paying for nothing. Y'all, the DJ kept giving me shots. Like, I was fucked up. Then we had Don Julio. So, like, yeah. I had so much fun, though. I had so much fun. My lips look so dry. Everything just looks so dry. Hey, y'all. So we at dinner. Well, lunch, really. Simone, say hey.
Hey, bitches. What's up?
Y'all, I know I still look hungover. I told y'all I was hungover. Y'all have one earring in. All right, y'all. Here we go.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna beat a nigga so bad in this bowling shit on bro.
My birthday at 12. Bitch, I'm finna be 21. I'm finna be 21. Come on. Yeah, look at him, look at him. Look at him. Yeah.
I'm talking about we at the bowling alley. We at the liquor store.
Hey. I wanna say what's up.
We leaving the liquor store, guys. We're about to get the birthday girl drunker.
Y'all, it's my birthday. I'm 21. You drunk.
Now fucked up around this.
You already.
Hey, happy birthday, cuz. Fuck that. Hey, if you ain't here, fuck you.
Right.
Hey,